Welcome to Lexar booth. I'm very pleased to show you our latest products. As you know, Lexar is covering all product categories when it comes to storage and memory. So starting with probably the most known product category from Lexar, which is the memory card. This is how the company started. I would like to introduce to you the newest and latest products and technology. If we look at this model, the gold model, 4 terabyte is the fastest you can find in the market. We have even been awarded this year by TIPA, who's very known in the industry. So we cover the two form factors that exist in this category, Type A and Type B, which means that any camera in the market can use our product. And again, we offer the fastest speed and the highest capacity in terms of storage. So we also have another form factor, which is SD cards. So SD cards, same, we cover all let's say speeds and features, which means that any photographer can find in our range the product corresponding to its needs. It ranges from Silver Plus to 1800X and 2000X. So again, depending on the needs of the photographer, whether it's a casual photographer or a professional photographer, we have the corresponding product in our lineup. As Lexar is specialized into memory and storage, we also cover other categories than memory cards, which means internal SSD and internal memory, DRAM, PC memory. So in both cases, we have a very broad lineup which covers all technologies. For example, on PC memory, it includes DDR4 and DDR5. It includes DIMM and SODIMM. And then, in terms of speed, we cover also all the different speeds, frequencies, case latency. So again, our philosophy is to provide end users with the product they need, whatever they are casual users, casual gamers, or professional users, content creators. They will always find the corresponding product in our lineup. So both in terms of technology, I mentioned DDR4, DDR5 for PC memory. When it comes to internal SSD, we cover 3 generations of technologies, even 4 including SATA. So SATA is really the old technology, SSD technology, but we also have in our range Gen 3 internal SSD, Gen 4, and also Gen 5. As an example, we have this, the 1090, the SSD NVMe 1090, which has a reading speed of 14,000 meg and a writing speed of 13,000 meg. So it's the fastest we can find today in the market. Talking about gamers, we offer specific products for gamers, including a heatsink and in some cases including RGB lighting. So, and we offer different types of products depending on what end users are looking for. So we have the Thor lineup and we have the RS lineup, which comes with a heatsink again and RGB lighting. So as I was telling you, we also have dedicated products for gamers, whatever PC gamers or console gamers. So for the PC gamers, our let's say fastest solution is the RS lineup, like you can see here, DDR5 of course. And very important to notice is that we are using SK Hynix chips, and all gamers know that SK Hynix chips are the best in the industry. So we have an exclusive partnership with Hynix, and we are the only brand having such a partnership. So very important to mention. And now for console gamers, so we have developed a specific internal SSD, which is perfectly fitting with the PS5, both in terms of performance and also in terms of design, as it reminds of the design of the console, and we even have specific packaging, very easy to understand that it is for a PS5. So another very important product category for Lexar is the portable SSD or external SSD. So Lexar has a full lineup, let's say starting from a price performance product or value products, and then the mainstream product, and also very high-end performing products. And we also care a lot about the way our customers are using the product. So we try to design products for specific group of users. So this one is not even launched. It's a brand new product, and its specificity, so it has a mag set, so we can definitely plug it on your phone. But it also, its specificity, it is encrypted. So the content is protected by AES 128 encryption. So it's not the only product in the market with this kind of data protection. What is unique is that in order to lock it or unlock it, you will need to enter a password or a fingerprint. You will use your mobile phone because this product is NFC enabled. The specific controller enabling this NFC capability was developed in-house.